Well, you all have disappeared. And ever since I got the letter from Dr. Boger, I've wondered why. You know what? I'm still wondering. I'm a small town girl. I've lived in a small town, and I've done small town things. The biggest thing I did in my life was choose to come to Marable College. Last spring, one of the Focus magazines said, "What does it mean to be a Marable College student?" It meant everything. It changed my life. It gave me direction. It gave me positive feelings about myself, that possibly I could have possibilities, that I could do some things I'd never dreamt possible. I feel I got that power, that inner desire to be a part of wherever I'd ended up and make it some small change or some small path that led for a new direction, just for not just my own life, but for others. I like to think as a sociology major at Marable that I was taught by Mrs. Pieper to be aware of the needs of others. I certainly was taught that at every moment at Marable. You saw this stick earlier in the film. I don't know whether you even noticed it. But right now, boy, I can use it. I call it Don's support stick, and I need support. My knees are shaking. Out on the beach one day, and I can't walk in the sand. I couldn't walk up the steps. But I was out trying to walk in the sand, and it fell. And I know many people, when they try to walk somewhere, fall and don't have a difficult time getting up and going again. But a rogue wave came right in front of me, not another wave in sight, and deposited a great big solid beam. It wasn't solid, I'll take that back, it was rotten as could be. And it was worm-eaten on the bottom. That beam had been tossed and hit bottom of the sand, tossed back up, had rolled over and over with each wave that came, the angry waves, and then the next day when the sun shone, it probably just floated on top of the shining sea. But that beam was a gift to me from the sea. I was able to get up, hanging on to it. My college, Marable College, roommate said, "Send that to me," when I told her this strange story. I said, "What for, Millie? It's eaten with worms, it's horrible, it's rotten." She said, "Send it to me." We got home after Jim complained about taking this yucky-looking stick. And right at our back door was a new golf club he had ordered in a box that absolutely just fit. So I mailed it to Colorado. The hands of Don Moffat carved this stick into the most supporting, sturdy thing you can hang on to. And it showed that when you felt useless in life, when things were tossing you about, when you hit the sand underneath real hard, that you can rise again, and you will find a friend that will support you and hold you up. This is what I found at Marable, too. Support for all of my life. When our choir, I love the music here. Boy, that's one of the doors that opened wide for me at Marable, and it shut very tightly. But with the help and support of others, I found Plan B. And Plan B is what Maribel also taught me you could do. You can rise up again. You can find a new passion. And those of you that have a passion, do it now. Don't wait till you're 78. Do it now. It may change, but grab hold and you'll find new life that way. That choir I started to refer to, I have no notes. I don't know what I'm doing. We sang a lot of beautiful music under Mr. Harry Harder. One I adored was from the Peaceable Kingdom, and we sang it at our college graduation. Ye shall have a song, and gladness of heart, and gladness of heart. My wish for you.